This is the AI News Flash for May 31st, 3 p.m. UTC. First up, Fortune exclusive report. U.S. Special Operations Command Commander General Frank Bradley publicly states that battlefield AI must absolutely guarantee that violence is delivered only to intended targets, marking a decisive milestone in military AI implementation governance. General Bradley's core official statement. As AI technology rapidly advances in weapons targeting and decision support, strict risk management of AI misidentification of violence targets is urgently required. He emphasizes the absolute principle of maintaining human final decision-making authority throughout battlefield AI implementation, signaling military leadership caution amid Defense Secretary Hegseth's aggressive battlefield AI push. This contrasts with the rapid expansion of Palantir's Maven Smart System Pentagon AI battlefield deployment, Anduril's $61 billion valuation, and Shield AI's $12.7 billion valuation defense AI market boom. Military leadership caution emerges as a decisive differentiator, aligning with Anthropic military AI guidelines and Pope Leo XIV's Magnifica Humanitas encyclical absolute rejection of autonomous lethal weapons, forming global military AI governance frameworks. Amid the decisive phase of U.S.-China AI military supremacy competition and unprecedented U.S. defense strategy expansion against rapidly advancing Chinese military AI, Special Operations Commander's caution becomes urgently required response. This positions as the most important milestone for 2026 battlefield AI implementation governance. Now, second up, Yahoo Finance exclusive. Major Wall Street analyst firm Wolfe Research predicts AI workload explosive expansion will expand CPU market by 30% through 2028, marking the AI semiconductor investment theme's second phase CPU layer core player emergence as a decisive milestone. Wolfe Research's latest official investment analysis report core. In the agentic AI era, explosive expansion of inference workloads structurally expands AI inference-specific CPU demand. CPU market 30% expansion through 2028 prediction is materializing, with CPU layer AI optimization, full-scale acceleration contrasting NVIDIA GPU monopoly structure dispersion shift. AI inference workload, structural growth beneficiary stocks enter full-scale selective phase. Intel, AMD, ARM, and Qualcomm major CPU makers enter full-scale beneficiary phase. ARM-based AI server CPU hyperscaler adoption expands with Grace, Graviton, Axion, and Cobalt deployment accelerating amid urgently required response. Under hyperscaler, 4 companies combined $725 billion 2026 CapEx boom AI server CPU structural shift accelerates, establishing AI semiconductor ecosystem multipolarization as a decisive differentiator. This aligns with NVIDIA $5.5 trillion market cap monopoly structure, dispersion shift, and Broadcom market cap surpassing Tesla historic milestone. Institutional investor AI semiconductor investment theme, second phase CPU layer allocation enters decisive selective phase signaling, positioning as the most important milestone for 2026 AI semiconductor CPU layer investment theme. Third up, Investing.com exclusive investment analysis. Meta Platforms' AI capacity could transform into a $1 trillion market opportunity, with institutional investors entering full-scale evaluation of Meta AI investment theme expansion to a decisive milestone. Meta AI Capacity Strategy Core. CEO Mark Zuckerberg's Meta Superintelligence Labs accelerates independent frontier AI model development. AI infrastructure massive investment commits $115 to $135 billion 2026 annual CapEx. AI Capacity Strategy Full-Scale Activation enters enterprise AI market formal participation, with institutional investors entering full-scale evaluation of Meta AI investment theme $1 trillion market opportunity. Meta Superintelligence Labs independent frontier AI model development, with open-source strategy Llama series successor models, Broadcom 2nm AI chip joint development, 5-year multi-year strategic partnership extended to 2029, and Fortune 500 enterprise customer acquisition accelerate. This contrasts with Microsoft Copilot, OpenAI ChatGPT Enterprise, Anthropic Claude Enterprise, and Google Gemini Enterprise AI market formation, establishing Meta open source strategy as a decisive differentiator. Under hyperscaler, 4 companies combined $725 billion 2026 CapEx boom. Meta's independent path accelerates. Gartner predicts 40% of enterprise applications will have AI agents embedded by end of 2026, materializing with AI industry monetization phase full-scale entry as a decisive milestone. This positions as the most important investment theme for 2026 Meta AI capacity market opportunity. Fourth up, the US, UK, and Australia. AUKUS, Trilateral Security Partnership, formally agrees on autonomous underwater drone technology joint development, marking AI military infrastructure, Pacific strategy, full-scale activation as a decisive milestone. AUKUS Trilateral Agreement Core, autonomous underwater drone, AI technology at the core, long-duration autonomous navigation, underwater surveillance, mine detection, enemy submarine tracking, and undersea communication, cable protection mission execution capabilities acquired. Physical AI, military application, full-scale activation as a decisive case. Pacific geopolitical tension response is urgently required. Strengthening US, UK, Australia AI military infrastructure joint construction. This aligns with Palantir Maven Smart System, Pentagon AI battlefield deployment, Anduril $61 billion valuation, Shield AI $12.7 billion valuation, and Saronic $1.75 billion defense AI investment boom. Unprecedented expansion of U.S. defense strategy against rapidly advancing Chinese military AI reaches decisive phase. AUKUS Alliance AI military infrastructure construction accelerates against China, South China, Sea Taiwan Strait military presence reinforcement. Under hyperscaler, four companies combined $725 billion, 2026 capex boom, defense AI market activates. Amid the decisive phase of U.S.-China AI military supremacy competition, this positions as the most important milestone for 2026 defense AI market. Fifth up, Quiver Quantitative Exclusive Investment Analysis. AI optical connectivity technology specialist Coherent Corp stock advances in AI era, marking AI infrastructure second phase optical connectivity layer, core player emergence as a decisive milestone. Coherent Corp AI data center optical communication module, market full-scale activation, 800 gigabit and 1.6 terabit optical modules enter full-scale mass production order surge. Inter-GPU communication, copper wiring, physical limit breakthrough requires structural expansion of optical connectivity technology demand response urgently. Silicon photonics full-scale commercialization emerges as a decisive case. NVIDIA, Blackwell, and Vera Rubin GPU intercommunication, copper wiring, physical limit breakthrough silicon photonics optical connectivity migration is irreversible. AI infrastructure second phase beneficiary stocks accelerate. This aligns with Lumentum, Marvell, Corning, Credo, and MACOM AI optical connectivity-related stock surge with NVIDIA GTC 2026, Feynman Architecture Silicon Photonics, first adoption accelerating. Under hyperscaler, four companies combined $725 billion, 2026 capex, boom, AI data center bandwidth demand explosively expands. Coherent Corp's proprietary AI optical module differentiation is established. Institutional investor AI semiconductor investment theme, second phase optical connectivity layer allocation enters decisive selective phase signaling, positioning as the most important milestone for 2026 AI semiconductor optical connectivity technology investment theme. That's all for this AI news flash.